welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell maybe by the background, I'm going to be doing a what I got for Christmas. Normally I film these on Christmas Day, but this year I just really wanted to take a minute and spend it with my family and sorry, that's my dog, and just hang out with them and not worry about filming this video. But I am super excited to film this, and of course a disclaimer as always, this is not to brag, this is not to try to show off or anything like that. You guys know that, you guys request this video, and I love filming these and I love sharing with you guys the things that my family and friends got me, as well as I normally try to share with you guys the stuff that I got for friends and family, because I think that that is way more fun than the stuff that I get. But I didn't have time this year. I was just super busy and everything. I literally didn't even put Christmas decorations up in my room. I was so busy, and yeah, so hence why I'm filming in my living room. So let's just get started. I have just a big pile of stuff. It's just gonna be mishmashed together, and I need to do something with you. Okay, so I'm going to start off with one of my favorite presents, which is my Apple Watch. My mom got this for me, and I was not expecting this at all. I love gifts that like you're not expecting and they end up to be like amazing. So this is the Apple Watch. I know I have the thing in here. This is the Apple Watch Series 3. I don't think this is the newest one. I think Series 4 is the newest one, but I'm very, very excited to get this one. This one will just be great, I know. And I'm really excited for all the text messaging and everything like that, and also the working out aspects that it has, like heart rate and calories and all sorts of stuff like that. So I'm very excited to be using it for that as well. And let me know if you guys have any cute bands that you have online. I'm looking at some cute ones on Amazon, like a leather wrap one. So let me know if you guys have any suggestions. Okay, just kind of random going in, I got some shoes. So I got these Lucky brand boots. They are so cute, and I have been on a hunt for really cute like black booties. And actually my friend got these on Black Friday, and unfortunately her foot is way smaller than mine, so I can't squeeze into hers. So I asked for them for Christmas, and I was lucky enough to get them. I really like just the way they look, and they're a nice like leather material with a really cute little like slit on the side right there. Can you see that? Yeah. And I also got another pair of boots, which I will insert a picture here. I'm super excited about. They are these Mark Fisher Santa boots, I believe is what they're called, or Santa sneakers. And I got them in a half size or a full size too small, because on the website my mom said that it says order a full size down, but the 6.5 was way too small. And they are actually on sale on Nordstrom right now for almost 50% off, I believe. So I will try to link them down below if you guys want to get your hands on them, but they're selling out really quickly. But I'm very excited for those because I don't really have a pair of like winter boots, and they're not necessarily like winter boots, but they're ones that I'd be comfortable like wearing to class when it's like snowy outside and stuff, and not feel like I'm wearing like a huge clunky boot. So that's that. And then as far as some clothes, I got this robe from Target. It's from Gilligan and O'Malley, and it's just like a kind of jersey knit robe with some ruffle detailing and some pockets, just kind of like for more lounging around. And then also from Target, I got this from Universal Threads, and it is like this faux shearling type of jacket. I'm super excited to wear this when it's not super, super cold. I think it'll be really cute. And then from Old Navy, I got these jeans, and I actually was with my mom when she got these, but these are the Power Jean, aka the Perfect Straight, and this is what they look like. I actually saw them on Beth Chapo's Sear Suckman's Saddle, I believe is her name. She's an Indianapolis blogger, and she talks about these and how they are like her favorite jean even over her Madewell, and really expensive jeans. And so I thought I would give them a try. So I got this pair, which is a little bit of distressed, and then the pair I'm wearing is just like a normal like blue jean straight, and they were like $7 when I got them because they were on like super sale. Let's see. Well, the price tag got ripped off. But yeah, so I will leave those links down below as well. And then my sister got me this super, super cute jacket. It's from a local boutique, and it is by the brand Skies Are Blue. And it is just this like pink suede bomber kind of jacket. And I think it'll be super cute to like dress up and like go out with, or just to wear it, like dress it down a little bit. I could see this with like just like a t-shirt and some joggers would be super cute, and like Adidas. So yeah, I'm really excited for this, and I was not expecting that, and I think it's so cute. And then also going along with like fashion is this little backpack purse. I asked for this for my sister. It's from Amazon, and this is just what it looks like. It's kind of like a Chloe dupe. I'm getting used to it, so I've just started carrying it, obviously. And it has a small little pocket in the back, and then it opens like this, and then it's just on the inside. But then you can also like unzip these side things, and this one's kind of broken, so I might send it back. And like it expands some more. But I'm getting used to wearing a backpack. It's kind of hard, like not just being able to like throw my phone into my bag or something like that. To always have to like put it on. I mean, I don't put it on like that, but you know what I mean. But I think it's super, super cute, and I know it was really affordable. So that's another thing I got. So my mom was recently in London. She picked up a couple goodies for me. This first is this notebook from Liberty of London, and she was like, oh my gosh, you would have loved this store. And I remember a couple years ago when I was in high school that Target had a literally Liberty of London collection, and it was so cute. So she got me this, as well as some pink I don't know, just like some candy things. And then I believe, yeah, my brother got me this super cute necklace, and this is from Must Have brand, and it's just a very pretty, dainty little gold chain. My sister said that he picked it out all by himself, so I think that is so cute. And I actually really, really love it. And my niece and nephew made everybody these picture frames, and they are just the freaking cutest things ever. My niece is 5, and my nephew is 2, and they're like my favorite people in the entire world. And so they had a little Christmas photo shoot, and I'm in love with it. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably see them fairly frequently in my posts or like my stories and stuff like that. So stockings are kind of like my favorite. I think they are just like really fun little things that are like pretty thought out most of the time, and I don't know, I just love stockings. So this first thing I got is, it says not your bag, and I'm going to New York City in the beginning of January, and my mom said that this would be super cute for that, and that's what she had in mind. So it just like kind of goes around your suitcase. So I'm really excited for that. And then my sister actually got me the Welda skin food, and I've heard amazing things about this, so I'm super excited to try it. I tried it a little bit, and it's such a thick hand cream, which I love. And it has kind of like a essential oil smell to it. Let me see. Yeah, I can't really explain it other than just kind of like an essential oil smell. So I really am excited to try this out some more. I also got some exfoliating sugar scrubs, which I think will be super fun to use in the bath or a shower. Some candy. This really pretty little angel bell, what is this? Ornament. All my family got those. I got one of these like makeup eraser things I'm super excited about. My friend has one and uses it all the time, and I think that it'll be great because you literally just put water and you don't have to use any product to remove your makeup. What else is in here? Oh, a scratcher, and I won another ticket, so maybe I'll win a bunch of money. And then from this local little shop, they have these like big bars of soap that you can like cut into little pieces, and my mom got me this one, which I love the smell of. It is sandalwood, musk, and patchouli in a little bar. And then just a couple more things in here. This little 1 Minute Miracle or 1 minute manicure. It's a hand, foot, and body scrub. I love leaving this by the sink just for when like I wash my hands and stuff. If I use this right after my soap, it leaves my hands really soft and moisturized. A couple pairs of these Bombas socks. My mom and my sister are obsessed with them, and I actually really like that I got a pair that are like a lower ride of them. But yeah, and then also I got this magnet that says stop trying to be like the cool kids. The cool kids are a bunch of a-holes. So I thought that was really funny. And then a Vera Bradley little tape measure, which I think is super cute and fun. And then just some gift card or gift vouchers to the Kolache Factory, which is super yummy. So that, oh, and also I got a Chi Air hair curler. I'll insert a picture here. I used it on Christmas Day, or like Christmas night dinner, and I'll insert another picture of what my hair looked like that night. And it's really cool. So you literally just like take a chunk, well, bigger than this, and then you like take it and you put your hair, like you just kind of like set it on top of like the barrel, like the big like tube barrel thing, and then you like turn the button and it like sucks your hair up in there, and then you have to wait for it to bead. If you guys want a tutorial, I will definitely do that. I think it's really cool, and I'm still kind of playing around with it, but I think it's something really fun. I wanted something like that, or like the beach waver or something, just something that's kind of like a little bit of a different type of curling iron. So that is what I got from my sister and brother-in-law, and I'm just super excited and super grateful for all the things I got. Let me know down below what some of the stuff you got was and your favorite present that you gave. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out my Instagram, and I'll talk to you in my next video.